Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks. How to replace your windshield wiper linkage, a step-by-step guide. Are your windshield wipers streaking or not moving at all? It might be time to replace your windshield wiper linkage. This crucial component connects the wipers to the motor, ensuring they move smoothly across your windshield. Without a functioning linkage, your visibility in rain or snow could be drastically reduced, putting your safety at risk. Common symptoms of a faulty wiper linkage include uneven wiping, strange noises, or wipers not moving in sync. If you notice any of these issues, don't wait until the next storm to fix them. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to replace your windshield wiper linkage, ensuring clear, streak-free views and a safer driving experience. Understanding windshield wiper linkage. Windshield wiper linkage is a critical part of your car's wiper system. This component is responsible for transferring the motion from the wiper motor to the wiper arms, allowing them to move back and forth across the windshield. Without it, your wipers wouldn't function properly, leaving you stuck with a streaky or unclear view. Let's break down this system to understand it better. Components of wiper linkage. The wiper linkage system consists of a few main parts, each playing a vital role in making sure your wipers run smoothly. Wiper motor. This is the powerhouse of the system. The motor provides the movement necessary to operate the wipers. Linkage arms. These arms connect the motor to the wiper blades. They transfer the motion from the motor, enabling the wiper blades to move. Pivot points. These are the joints in the linkage system that allow the arms to pivot and move efficiently. Bushings. These small components reduce friction and wear at the pivot points. They ensure smooth movement and help prevent damage. Wiper blades. While not part of the linkage itself, the wiper blades are connected to the arms and are essential for clearing the windshield. Each of these parts must work together seamlessly to ensure your wipers function correctly. If one piece fails, the whole system can be thrown off balance. Common causes of wiper linkage failure. Wiper linkage systems can fail for various reasons. Understanding these can help you recognize and address problems before they become severe. Wear and tear. Over time, the constant motion can cause parts to wear out. Bushings can degrade, and pivot points can become loose or damaged. Corrosion. Exposure to the elements can lead to rust and corrosion, especially in older cars. This can seize up the linkage, making it difficult for the wipers to move. Physical damage. Accidents or impacts, like a sudden hit from a heavy object, can bend or break the linkage arms. Lack of maintenance. Ignoring routine maintenance can accelerate wear and tear. Regular checks and lubrication can keep everything running smoothly. Ignoring these common issues can lead to complete wiper failure, which can be dangerous in adverse weather conditions. Keep an eye out for symptoms like uneven wiping, strange noises, or wipers that don't move in sync. By understanding the inner workings of the wiper linkage and the common causes of its failure, you can take proactive steps to maintain it. Next, we'll move on to the tools and steps needed for replacing a faulty wiper linkage. Symptoms of a faulty wiper linkage. If your wiper linkage is on the fritz, it can make driving in bad weather really tough. Here are some signs that your wiper linkage might need to be replaced. Irregular or stuttering wiper movement. One of the first signs of a problem with your wiper linkage is irregular or stuttering movement. If your wipers move in a jerky, erratic manner, skip parts of the windshield, seem to struggle with each swipe, these are clear indicators that something isn't right. The linkage might be worn out or have loose connections that prevent smooth operation. Think of it like a hiccuping robot trying to clean your windshield, frustrating and ineffective. Wipers not moving at all. Another obvious symptom is when your wipers don't move at all. If you turn on your wipers and nothing happens, the linkage might be broken completely. Common causes include a disconnected linkage arm, a seized pivot point due to rust or wear, complete failure of the linkage system. When this happens, it's a major safety hazard. Imagine driving in the rain with no way to clear your windshield. Dangerous and scary, right? Unusual noises. Strange sounds coming from your wipers can also point to a faulty linkage. Listen for grinding noises, clicking or clunking sounds, any other unusual sounds when the wipers are in use. These noises often mean that parts of the linkage are rubbing against each other or other components in a way they shouldn't. It's like hearing your old, rusty bike chain trying to power through a ride. It shouldn't be ignored. Regularly checking for these signs can help you catch a failing wiper linkage early. This way, you can replace it before it turns into a bigger problem. Tools and materials needed for replacement. Replacing your windshield wiper linkage isn't just about knowing the steps. You need the right tools and parts to get the job done right. Whether you're a seasoned DI or a first-timer, having everything you need at the start will make the process smoother and less frustrating. Essential tools. Before diving into the replacement, gather all the necessary tools. These are the essentials that will help you remove the old linkage and install the new one efficiently. 1. Screwdrivers. Flathead, useful for prying off covers and panels. Phillips, needed for screws that hold parts in place. 2. Wrenches. Socket wrench set. Different sizes may be required to handle various bolts. Adjustable wrench. Handy for those tricky spots where a specific size isn't available. 3. Pliers. Needle nose pliers, perfect for reaching into tight spaces and gripping small parts. Regular pliers, useful for gripping and turning components. 4. Ratchet and socket set. Various sizes to accommodate different bolt heads in the wiper system. 5. Trim removal tool. Helps to safely remove plastic covers without damaging them. 6. Lubricant spray. To ease the removal of rusted or tight-fitting parts. Having these tools ready and within reach can save you from running back and forth, keeping the process smooth and efficient. Think of these tools as your trusty sidekicks. They're essential for tackling the job head-on. Replacement parts. Once your tools are all set, you'll need the correct replacement parts. Here's a list of what you typically need for replacing a windshield wiper linkage. 1. New wiper linkage kit. This usually includes the linkage arms and the bushings. Make sure you get a kit that's compatible with your vehicle's make and model. 2. Wiper blades, optional. If your blades are worn out, this is a good time to replace them. New blades ensure optimal performance following the linkage replacement. 3. Bushings. These small yet crucial parts reduce the friction between moving parts, ensuring smooth operation. The new linkage kit often comes with these. 4. Mounting hardware. Sometimes, additional screws, nuts, or bolts are needed to secure the new linkage in place. Check the kit to see if it includes these, and if not, you'll need to buy them separately. Having all these parts ensures you won't hit a roadblock halfway through the replacement. Consider these parts as the ingredients to a recipe. Missing one could ruin the whole dish. Armed with these essential tools and parts, you're now ready to take on the task of replacing your windshield wiper linkage. By having everything laid out and organized, you can avoid common pitfalls and make the process as seamless as possible. Next, we will dive into the step-by-step procedure to get your wipers back in working order. That's it for part 1. We've successfully removed the old wiper linkage. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.